ICO token, Nibiru Chain.
Let's start with this.
Nibiru is a sovereign proof-of-stake blockchain, open-source platform, and member of a family of interconnected blockchains that comprise the Cosmos ecosystem. Nibiru unifies leveraged derivatives trading, spot trading, staking, and bonded liquidity provision into a seamless user experience, enabling users of over 40 blockchains to trade with leverage using a suite of composable decentralized applications. Nibiru will also act as a permissionless and censorship-resistant platform for developers to deploy smart contracts in Go and Rust. Nibiru is IBC compliant at Genesis and connected over 40 blockchains. IBC enables secure and permissionless transfers of funds between blockchains in addition to cross-chain computation and transfer of arbitrary data. This includes cross-chain smart contract calls, fee payments, NFTs, and fungible token transfers. IBC is not reliant on a multi-sig or centralized bridging solution. Token info, ticker, NIBIT, type, utility token, token distribution, 60% community, 21% team, 10% seed, 9% early backers private. Details, POE sale token supply, 285 million NIBIT. Token supply, 1,500,000,000 NIBIT. Raised, $7,500,000. Legal, blockchain platform, Cosmos. Registration country, United States. Registration year, 2022. Nibiru Chain roadmap, Phase 0 private testnet, Phase 1 public testnet, Phase 2.2 indie public testnet. This is the end of our video. Kindly visit Nibiru community channel to check more about the token and take part in discussion. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video for more upcoming ICO or IDO token.